When's the last time you checked your underbody for rust? Lanoguard empowers you to protect the vehicle you love in just 20 minutes. It's DIY, super easy to apply and completely eco-friendly. But don't just take my word for it. Here's what thousands of our lovely customers tell us. Still got questions? Let's see if we can help.
We recommend applying Lanoguard every 12 months, and remember, it's really easy to do. It can be done coat on top of old coat, and just consider it part of your regular routine maintenance.
Lanoguard is super low prep, you don't need to mask anything up, and it's a much less messy job. It'll also protect your rubbers, brake lines, exhausts and electrics, which makes it perfect for protecting your underbody easily. Our Lanoguard Underbody Care Kit is all you need to protect your vehicle, and it's delivered straight to your door, giving you complete peace of mind in one simple kit.
We sell Lanoguard directly through our website. We do this to maintain the best customer service possible and a relationship directly with our customers, which means we can always deliver the best customer service and best quality product from R&D working with our customers. And our knowledgeable, friendly customer service team are always here to help, on the phone, online or on web chat. We're real people and want to talk to you.
All seems too good to be true, right? We're confident that once you've used Lanoguard, you'll never look back. As well as tens of thousands of DIY users across the UK, we are also trusted by some amazing industrial partners, including JCB, Multihog, Dublin Airport and the Environment Agency. I hope what we've explained gives you the knowledge and confidence to start using Lanoguard to protect your underbody.